We're playing A, B, bop. Gosh, where's the hand position? Does this tell you where the hand position is, or?
Oh, B.
Well, it shows you where B and C are, right?
Yeah.
Where's B? B. That's a lower B. Let's try this B over here. B, right?
B.
And then, but this doesn't really tell you the position, because what does the song start on?
A.
Right, so move over to A. You're on G, so you want to, here's A. A with finger number what? What finger does this say right here?
3.
3. Okay, now let's get the right hand ready. Even though we don't play it at all, we still have to get it ready for over here. So this is 3 on what?
E.
E. Right there. Is that your hand position?
Yes.
You're pretty close, but this hand is sneaking over. There. Okay. Oh, it snuck back. This is a 4 on E. You need a 3 on E. Can you get your 3 ready there? Okay, keep it there. Let's play the song now. Stand. No, this is a B, so we need to start on A.
B.
Ready?
Is it funny that B is the top line?
It is kind of funny.
E.
Let's try it on A. Ready? 2. Ready? Go. A is the top line, step up to B. Repeat. A is the top line, step up to B. Now 3's together. 3's together. D. Oh, other hand. You know how I know that this is the top hand? Because it's on the top staff. D steps to E, and now left hand. A, 3, A is the top line, and, what is that now? There it is. 3's. Yeah, good. Whoa, you switched out your 4 at the end.
Oh.
But you still played an E. You still played an E. You gotta watch those moving hands.
Yay!
That's a great job, Nico. Did you do a really good job?
Yeah.